All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. We'll get two more good questions from 11-2 here. These have a whole nother level of complexity. So, the probability of at least 3 heads if there are 5 tosses, in case you don't have the worksheet. So, how do you win this? Or what is the likelihood that you will get 3 or more heads? Well, let's see. Again, this is like 2 questions. How many ways can we have 5 tosses on the bottom? And on the top, the number of ways we could have 3 heads plus the number of ways we could have 4 heads, because that's at least 3, plus the number of ways we could have 5 heads. Okay, so hopefully you tuned into question number 19. Then you know that the bottom is 2 to the 5th power. If you have 2 people and they each toss a coin, there are 2 to the 5th outcomes. 2 outcomes for the first person times 2 for the second person, etc. Now, this is 5 choose 3. It's 5 people in a group. We want to choose that any 3 of them throw a head. Order doesn't matter. It's a group. Plus, that is 5 choose 4. Plus, that is 5 choose 5. Okay? And I'll put this in my calculator as fast as I can. I know the bottom is 32 from the last problem. I actually know that 5 choose 3 is 10 from the last problem. So let me just do 5 choose 4. 5. Oops. 5 choose 4. And that is 5. And then 5 choose 5. There's only one way that can happen. The answer to this is 1, but I'll show it to you. And so then you get 16 out of 32, which is 50%. All right, now, as we move on into number 21, less than 4 tails. Be careful here, because you might forget one. This is going to be 5 choose 3. So 4 is not less than 4, so that doesn't work. Plus 5 choose 2 plus 5 choose 1. Here's where you need to be careful. You can also throw 0 tails. That is a thing. There's 32 on the bottom. So you get 10 for 5 choose 3. 5 choose 2 should be the same thing as 5 choose 3. We know that from the last one. 5 choose 1 is the same as 5 choose 4, but watch. 5, math, probability. Oh, there we go again. So that's going to be 5 plus 1, and you get 26 out of 32, which the book writes as 13/16. I hope that helps.
Yeah.